Four project proponents or coal miners who had recently received the mining lease from the Ministry of Coal, Government of India to start scientific and sustainable mining in Meghalaya had organized a program at Nongstoin on the 3rd of May 2023 to express their gratitude to Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma and the government of Meghalaya for effort put into the coal ban lift, which would be a great blessing to those dependent on the particular sector for livelihood. Mention may be made that coal mining had been banned for almost a decade in the state of Meghalaya, and therefore the lifting of the ban will once again enable resumption of livelihood activities through modern-day scientific mining. The miners who had received mining lease will have to apply for state clearances along with public consultation, after which the process of scientific mining can be initiated.
Today in Nongstoin, where some of the miners and project proponents who have just recently received the mining lease from Government of India, Coal Ministry, to start the scientific mining in the state of Meghalaya, have invited us for a felicitation program to thank the government for all the support and the work that we have done in the last 5 years to finally, number one, lift the ban, and number two, to actually start the process of scientific, safe and sustainable mining for the state of Meghalaya. In the process, 4 miners have received the mining lease, post which they will be applying for state clearances like certain environmental clearances, pollution board clearances, and there will be some public consultation, and there will also be some other formalities that need to be completed at the state level. And once that is done, then the process of scientific and safe mining can officially start in the state. As I said, it will take about 45 days to 60 days, but these formalities are very much within the state government. Thank the Honorable Prime Minister and Government of India for all their support that they have shown in these difficult times so that we're able to start this process. At the same time, in the future, more miners will be applying for the mining lease, and similarly as the process was there for the current 4 miners, the similar process will be followed for the other miners who have applied, and in the future other individuals and miners who are interested can also further apply. But the process and procedure for obtaining the lease and the license for scientific mining will have to be followed, just like was followed by the other members or the other miners who have finally received the clearances.